Check out one of our newest updates. Now Google Fonts are available inside of the email builder. This new feature provides businesses with a wide range of font options to enhance the visual appeal and customization of their email campaigns, ultimately elevating the business experience. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is an expanded font choice option. Now your business can access the vast library of Google fonts directly within the email builder. It's also going to enhance your design flexibility. Businesses like yours can now create visually appealing and engaging email campaigns. It's also going to improve your brand consistency. Your business can now maintain consistency in font styles across various marketing channels, including email. As far as practical use goes, now as a business owner, you can use Google Fonts and you can integrate those to customize the font in all of your emails, your email newsletters, or anything else. You can now select a playful and inviting font that resonates with your brand personality, ultimately enhancing customer engagement and promoting your products and your business efficiently. Let me show you exactly where to find this. First, you want to create a new email campaign. You're going to go to Marketing and then Campaigns, and you're going to either edit a campaign or you're going to create a new one. To edit a campaign, you simply click on the three-dot kebab, and you can go ahead into one of your existing campaigns. Now you can go ahead and add a font. So you're going to go to the text element, you're going to select fonts, and then you're going to click plus add font. Now, this is just a little side tip. What I've done in the past, because I like to really be able to research these fonts, I will sometimes open them all up in a Google search. But what you'll now see here is that you can kind of get a really solid idea of what that font looks like right within the drop-down menu. Now you can go ahead and select that font and now add the font. Now to access your email settings, you're going to go to Emails, then into Campaigns, and you're going to select the gear icon, which is for settings. Here is where you can both add and delete fonts. So you'll go to Fonts and then Add Font or Delete Font, and that is through the icon. This feature is going to empower your business to elevate the design of your email campaign within the CRM, offering a diverse range of font options to enhance brand identity, engage your email recipients, and to convey messages effectively. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.